Today we will focus on fault management in the Kinco Servo Pro software. Mastering this function helps you quickly identify issues and restore production, making it an essential skill for on-site commissioning and maintenance. After connecting to the servo drive, check the I/O configurations first. Some models come with default I/O configurations, such as enable, reset errors, and drive error output. Enter the fault management panel. You can view the error codes, diagnostic information, and the servo status at the moment the fault occurs. When a servo alarm is triggered, a prominent red warning message and pop-up notification immediately appear at the bottom of the interface. By clicking View Details in the status bar, you can jump directly to the fault management page. At the same time, the drive flashes with a fault code, providing dual-channel alarm indication through both software and hardware. Click the Reset button to clear the faults. When functions such as Enable or Fault Reset are configured in the I/O and linked to the control word, the fault cannot be reset by the Reset button due to the priority. If I/O-based fault reset is not required, disable the related I/O configuration. The prompt allows you to cancel the configuration with one click, so you don't have to switch to the I/O settings page. On the right side, you can see the error status, which may consist of multiple status bits. This means that multiple faults can occur simultaneously. In each status word, the red sign indicates a fault. Here, the current fault details will be listed, such as cause, measures, and monitored parameters. This eliminates the need to repeatedly search through manuals and enables fast and accurate troubleshooting, significantly reducing downtime and associated costs. Click Error History. You can also review historical fault records, including past fault codes, bus voltage, and current operating mode. Now, let's simulate a fault scenario. Here, an encoder disconnection alarm is manually triggered. As you can see, a red alarm immediately appears on the main interface. Click View Details. You can see the faults. Kinco Servo Pro gives the measurements to check that the encoder cable is properly connected, the connection is secure, and the motor model is correct. Based on this diagnostic guidance, we know the first step is to inspect the encoder cable connection. After reconnecting the encoder cable, we click the Reset button in the software. Once the reset is successful, the alarm disappears. The guidelines are like a built-in troubleshooting manual, helping engineers, especially beginners, quickly identify the root cause and efficiently resolve issues on site.